kinda adore you, but don't get too proud. You're like my favorite snack, I won't say it out loud. I won't say you're perfect, we all know you're not. But hey, you're the best kind of way that I got.
Hi my faves, good morning. How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. Today is Thursday, and this is, I think, past 10 a.m. and I'm just starting my day. I want to quickly do the dishes. I wasn't able to do the dishes last night. Guys, I've been craving moi moi for a while now, and I'm not just craving moi moi, I'm craving the leaf, the one that you usually make with leaf. I think I've shared my moi moi recipe with you guys here before, and if you have eaten my moi moi, okay, you guys have not eaten my moi moi obviously, but anybody that has eaten my moi moi knows that is some next level stuff. Like, it's not the regular. My moi moi is so good, and the leaf adds so much flavor to it. It just makes perfect sense. So that's what I've been craving for a while. But the problem now is getting the leaf. If I have to go to get the leaf, I have to go to markets like my one oil mill, and going all that way just for moi moi leaf. It's not like I want to cook soup or anything that, okay, I'll see that's what will take me to that market. It's just basically that moi moi leaf that I need. So getting it now is like a hassle, and I don't want to cook the moi moi with a moi moi plate. I have those ramekins. I mean, what are they called? I have them, but that's not the vibe I'm going for. That's not what I'm craving. So I don't know. Maybe next week I'll make out time and go to that market and just use the opportunity to buy other stuff, so it doesn't feel like I went all the way just because of moi moi leaf. So it doesn't sound like I'm crazy. Yeah, so that's basically it. You guys should remember that we're going live on Sunday. Every Sunday by 7 p.m. we're going live. We'll just chit chat and catch up on what happened throughout the week, on trending topics too. Remember our gist that we had last week? We're gonna do more of that. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. And you guys have not told me anything about the sound. People really like this sound because I was able to do my epidemic sound subscription, so that's why I have more sounds to play with now. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to chit chat for a bit. And also, guys, I just want to say that this giveaway that we did on our last live, I don't know how it happened, but like I wanted to give to just 4 persons. You guys, at the end of the day, I ended up giving to 5 persons, and still there were more people chatting me that they won the giveaway. And I think the mistake I made is because I actually wrote down names. The mistake I made was that I didn't cross-check the names, the people that tested me before I sent them the money. And then I realized that, some of the people that I sent money were not even on the list. I don't know why they just randomly tested me and told me, and me. I didn't think it right. I felt like, okay, this person, I just didn't think it through, you guys. I'm sorry. If you were among the people that I wrote down their names. Okay, I already took note of it. I think Davida Chuk, I don't know if I'm correct, but I've taken note of her name. So our next giveaway, I'm going to prioritize her, because me, I don't want to exceed my limits. You guys remember I told you guys that I don't have money. I'm not really working or anything. It's just, I'm just trying to support and appreciate everybody that is supporting me. So please just hold on for me. I think Davida, I think she's the only one. And then Solomon as well. I don't know if they're going to see this vlog, but if you see it, just chill, okay? In the next giveaway, I'm going to prioritize you guys. I already have your account numbers. I'm going to send you stuff for the next giveaway. Even the person we were supposed to buy lunch for ended up giving her money because we couldn't decide on what to buy for lunch. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Yeah, let's continue.